is a murder weapon.
Is anyone still doing Be Real or is it just me?
Wow. It's a mess in there. Let's just move everything over. It's not too bad, but it has been better. The person who designed my apartment decided out of all 3 closets in this apartment, only one would be relatively functional. So naturally, I made this my hair closet, featuring my Nana's old clothes, outdated clothes that I'll never wear, my shoe rack that also includes shoes that I will never wear, and also anything and everything else in the world. And the vacuum. Do I think I'm the best person for this job? No. Do I have any organizational skills? Not really. Do we start from the top? Do I just take everything out? This is gonna be messy. Na, 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 but tonight I'm cleaning out my closet. All the clothes I don't know if I'll ever wear again. Oh. Oh my god. I'm a hex girl, and I'm gonna put a spell on you. Gonna put a spell on you. Oh my god. Who put that there? Who put that there? This past year's Halloween costume. Woo! This Halloween will go down as the night everyone realized that my best friend was actually my girlfriend. Whoa. Oh my god! Last year's Halloween costume. Dig it dig it. Got my shovel, shoes made of sand. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ow. These are all the clothes that I've listed on Depop. Y'all, please, please, help me clean out my closet by buying my old clothes on Depop. They're priced reasonably. Whoa. The link is down below. But tonight, I'm cleaning out my closet. Oh, this is perfect. Hashtag born with it. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Boo, 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 boo. Yeah. Y'all, tell me not to get bangs right now. Yellow. Unrelated, but if I were to do wig videos again, like, what should I do? Asking for a friend. Why is this so heavy? Woo! Y'all, am I the strongest person alive? The answer is yes. Got an old laptop in here. Oh, my old cosmetology school books. Oh, that's why it's heavy. Because there is a year's worth of knowledge in here. So I'm looking up top shelf organization and it looks like everywhere really just recommends bins. So I guess I was kind of doing it right. The luggage has to stay on the top shelf, so that's staying. Let's dump the clothes and see what's worth keeping. Oh my goodness. Oh my god! We're gonna have to face the facts. I think going through my front closet is gonna turn into me also organizing my bedroom closet. Let's do a little keep versus Depop pile real quick. Oh my goodness, that would take so long. Try on again. Depop in the closet. Perfect. Hi. Are you enjoying the show? No one move! No one move! I lost my phone. It could be under any of these clothes. Can someone call me? Oh, never mind, found it. Nah, cleaning in my closet. Next up, the jackets. Ugh. Clearly more than one trick. Oh my god, a candy cane. Do I need all of these shoes in here? What do you think? This closet clean out is no joke. I'm gonna make a sandwich.
Okay, let's keep going. Wig, 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 and that's a wig. Oh. Oh my god. Please no glass. No broken glass. Oh my, that is a murder weapon. Oh my god. Oh my god, there's glass everywhere now. Oh no. Do I really need my excellent customer service certificate? I mean, I guess it does look good. Ugh, it's a toss-up when the easiest thing to do is just throw it all in the trash. There we go. Certificate saved. That's right, I'm excellent. Honestly, I do love most of this setup. It could look a little bit better, but what I really need to work on is this corner of things I just shoved in here. Like what? Oh my god, there's another one. I'll just put that right in the wig bin right there. Perfect. Beautiful. A mannequin head. Oh, lovely. What is in here? What? Oh, more wigs. Oh my gosh, a memory box. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Tara Yummy's 21st birthday party. Oh my god, shout out to Tara. Love you. This is so funny. My dad gave me all of my old childhood wigs. And you might be like, Hannah, what is a childhood wig? Well, they're the wigs that I wore when I was like 12 years old, when I was acting in little home videos. And like, they're funny, okay? These are like silly wigs. So these wigs include this old lady short hair. What in the world? Tell me this is not a Hannah Montana wig. Tell me this is not a Hannah Montana wig from 16 years ago. It is. It is. I was going to go through all of my old childhood videos and then show kind of a side-by-side of that childhood video and me having the wig today. So let me know if you would like to see that. It would take a ton of research though, and a lot of tracking down videos. But it would be fun. Oh my gosh, I was looking for these. Oh my god, does anyone remember when I painted this? Good times, good times. I actually might use some of these for Christmas presents, so I might keep these out. Excuse me, back it up. Back it up. Don't need that. Practically have the bare bones of this closet. This is a terrible angle of me. I think what I need to do now is to just kind of organize and make this look good. Everything in the back of this closet, I think, will actually just have to stay there. But if you want to peek, I'll show you. This little business fit was my Nana's mom's. And this was my Nana's mother of the bride dress at my aunt's wedding. Isn't that crazy? I also have this dress that I bought at a vintage store from the 1930s. And it does the spinny thing. These are going safely back on that side of the closet because they have nowhere else to go right now, but they have to stay safe, of course. This jacket was also my Nana's mother's. This I can actually wear. Okay. Maybe I'll fit. I have been doing my friend's hair a lot. So this setup, I know, really works well. But I do think it could look cuter. You know what? I think that's fine. Did I learn some sort of lesson from one of my frames falling and breaking everywhere? Yes. Is customer service better than styling skills? It works. Okay. I feel pretty good about this. Let's start bringing some stuff back in. Because this can't look like this when my girlfriend walks in. Whew. Yes, I'm so strong, thank you. Okay, unfortunately, now I have all of the Halloween stuff that has to go somewhere. And then I have my bin still that I have to go through. It's time to do something with this.
I'm too good at this.
I feel so much better. I think we did it. I am so proud of this closet organization. Y'all, let me know if you have any tips or tricks for the future. I think today is a wrap. Check out my Depop because all of these clothes are gonna be on there soon. Yeah. It might have taken me 6 hours. I can't wait to show my girlfriend where she can keep her shoes now. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time. Bye.